Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner, Logan Joyner, coming to you from Sandpoint, Idaho. It is Father's Day, and we are doing the best thing you can do on Father's Day, which is jet skiing. So Logan, are you excited? First time jet skiing?
Oh, absolutely. We've been trying to do this for years and years. My bro's swerving, I'm trying not to hit him. But yeah, for years we've been like, oh, you can jet ski when you're 16 or 18 or 21, depending on what place we go to. And now I can finally do it on my own, so I'm super excited.
All right, we're gonna get out here. It's a beautiful day. The water's a little chilly, but we are excited.
I kept going full throttle. I'm gonna accelerate and slow.
That was awesome. That water's cold, but it's not bad. Careful, turn. Sharon, ban him. All right, Logan's never fallen in before, so he's going to do a controlled. So this, I guess, is a famous architectural marvel in this area, a castle. Logan, this is the castle he was talking about. All right, what are you thinking so far?
Other than losing my sunglasses, this is still one of the coolest things I've ever done, period.
Sunglasses come and go, but jet ski memories last forever.
Indeed.
What's surprising you about it? Harder, easier?
I don't know, it's both more and less aggressive than I thought it would be. Like it's like very easy to like control, but just like, you know, like the choppy waters, it's just like, but like if you're not paying attention, you know, your feet and your butt will like clap against the seat harder than you expect.
Yeah, did you notice how much choppier it got when we got out here in the open?
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
We gotta take it a little slower. So
the view's awesome though.
Yeah, this, you know, you see all these houses on the hills. I bet it's like super expensive place to live. Mountains in the background. Look at those mountains, Logan. This is living. I think this is still, out of all the things I've done, Logan, still one of my favorite things to do.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
So, all right, we're going to keep heading down that way and see what we find. We've been on the water for 40 minutes. Time flies.
Yeah, it feels like a quick 20.
Can't get over the beauty out here. You can jet ski in Ohio or Michigan, but not beautiful water like this, and not with these mountains. Logan's tearing most beautiful day ever. Right out here in the middle of the lake.
Alright, that just about wraps up our time jet skiing. My first ever time doing it, and I would absolutely 100% do it again and recommend it to anyone watching this video. I feel like it requires, you know, not much like physical skill. I feel like just about anyone can enjoy it. You know, when you get in those like rocky parts, you know, like sometimes it hurts a little bit, but then other times you get like just a teeny bit of air on the boat and you feel like, you know, you feel like you're flying, and it's just an absolute blast. We even found like a few islands over there. We went around one of those, saw, you know, some pretty cool houses on the side that we passed. Mostly had the lake to ourselves. It was, gosh, it was a blast. Beautiful day, beautiful water, awesome dad. Happy Father's Day.
Hey, this is Father's Day. Had a blast hanging out. I'm not sure, I'm missing my girls who are back home, but I'm not sure there's a better way to spend Father's Day than jet skiing with one of your kids. And shout out and special thanks to your Uncle Phil, my brother, who introduced me to this sport, man, 30-some years ago. And my dad, and they always did a lot of jet skiing, and that's kind of where I got my love for doing this. So, over and out. We'll see you guys next time from Sandpoint, Idaho.